Welcome back to Discover Agriculture, where we bring you fascinating insights into agriculture, farming, and sustainable living. Today, we are diving into such a topic which is gaining global importance. That is nothing but the buffalo farming. Whether you are looking to start a small dairy farm or scale up into commercial farming, buffaloes offer immense potential. From milk and meat to manual and drought power, buffaloes are an all rounder in the world of livestock. So let's get started. The first and most important decision is choosing the right breed. Let's take a look at a few popular ones. Murrah, ideal for high milk production and known for its adaptability to different climates. Jafarabadi, a heavy buffalo breed that excels in both milk and drought work. Nili Ravi, known for strong milk production and found mainly in Punjab. Surti, perfect for areas with hot, humid climates. Do some research on your region's climate and pick the breed that best suits your needs, whether it's for milk, meat, or work. Buffaloes need plenty of ventilation to stay cool, especially in warmer climates. Ensure their bedding is dry and clean to avoid diseases. Each buffalo should have around 50 to 60 square feet of space. Keep your feeding and milking areas separate to prevent contamination. Buffaloes love green fodder like maize and bersine. The one which consumes grains help in boosting the milk production. Don't forget mineral supplements for calcium, phosphorus, and vitamins. And what about water? It's absolutely essential. Buffaloes need 40 to 60 liters of water every day for proper digestion and milk production. Efficient breeding is a vital to successful farm. Most buffaloes give birth to a single calf after a gestation period of 10 months. You can improve the genetics of your herd through artificial insemination, which is becoming a popular and effective method. Once the calf is born, both the mother and the calf need proper care to avoid infections. Make sure the newborn calf get its first dose of colostrum for immunity. Now, let's get to the good part, milk production. Buffalo milk is prized for its high fat content, which makes it more valuable than cow's milk. To get the best yield, milk your buffaloes twice a day, typically in the morning and evening. Use clean, sanitized equipment for milking and make sure your storage facilities keep the milk fresh and cool before it's transported. Buffalo farming offers more than just milk or meat. Their manure is excellent organic fertilizer that can be used on your farm or sold. Many farmers also set up biogas plants to make energy from buffalo dung. This way, you're not just farming, but also contributing to sustainable energy solutions. And that's a wrap on our guide to buffalo farming. From weed selection to feeding, healthcare, and market strategies, buffalo farming can be a highly rewarding venture if done right. With dedication, proper management, and a bit of patience, the buffalo farm can yield great returns, whether it's the milk, meat, or even biogas. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture.